Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can access the array variables or array values by pointer, and what are the difference between these and what are the similarity between pointer and array. Suppose we have this array of 5 element. I initialize this way, like this 5 value I am slicing here, and for displaying these value I use for loop. I say int equal to int I equal to 0, I less than 5, then I plus plus, and I say printf, and I say percentage %d, and I say num plus I. Remember that we have learned this how to do this. You see, this way I am accessing the value. Remember, save this and I compile GCC pointer versus array, and I make semicolon also here. Save this, then compile, then I run it. You see, we have the value, and I say to this also space, compile, run. You see, we can display information like this way. It's a simple way to present this. So how we can access this value by pointer? I say int, and I say star p pointer, and I say num. Remember, we have learned in previous video that this num is the address of first element. So we are passing the address of first element in p, remember, and in place of this num I pass p here. Now we try to execute. You see, we have a same output. Remember that if I say here the address of this, you see, problem. Why? Because already it is the address of a first element. We can't do like this, but we can do like this. We can say address of first element we want to pass. Remember that? Sorry, I compile once again and I run it once again. Same output we have. So we can pass the address of first element like this, and from the first element we can access, from the first element of address we can access the remaining element of array by the help of pointer. Otherwise, I comment this, otherwise same we can achieve by this. We say int star p equal to num, because this num is itself the address of the first element that we are passing in a pointer, and one by one we are fetching the information of this. And I compile this. Can we change the value of this by pointer? Why not? We can change also. Not only that way, remember, I can also print this like this way. Remember, this way, and try to access this. You see, value of this. So this is the pointer, but itself is the address of first memory location. And if I pass like this, this pointer will become address. So if this is becoming address, that means if I say if I say 3 value, I want to change 0, 1, 2, 3 means 67. I want to change to 100 like this. Now try to see the change. Can I change this by pointer? You see, we have a 100 in place of 67. That means we can change this value. Yeah, we can change this way also, and I can change this way also. Remember that I say p plus 3 equal to 100. Like that way I can also change the value. Run it. You see, we have the same effect. Why? Because it's the address of the first element plus 3 we put, and then we get the value, and that value we replace by this. So both are same. This is also same. This is also same. And we can also display this by using like that also. Remember that we can display by this way also. Done. we can also display like a num. You see, this is the array, and I can also put a star here, means in place of p I can put num. Then I can run the index of this, and you will see the same effect here, means we have the similarity that this pointer behaves just like a one-dimensional array, and we can replace either by array or by the pointer. So that's all in this video regarding pointer versus array. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.